What's up everybody, Brian, SoCo Custom. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the video. So I'm going to have to dub over this again since we are back in the wind tunnel that is Colorado in the fall. So I blew out all of my audio originally filming this video, so I'm just going to dub straight over it. What we did was we sent a 2019 Ford Ranger, this is the XLT, sent it up on the Rough Country leveling kit, and then did about 31.5 by about 10.5 tires. So yeah, let's check it out. We sent this 2019 Ranger up 2 inches on the Rough Country leveling kit. The wheels are a 17 by 9 Black Rhino Selkirk with a positive 12 offset. We then wrapped those in a 265/70 R17 Kumho Venture all-terrain tire. We added the Rough Country Stirrup side steps for access into the cab. We also installed the bed cover, which is a Truck Hero Extang 2.0. It is a trifold cover, and you can see a demo of how it rolls up here. Thanks guys, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys soon.